Hi, everybody. Welcome to lesson number 6 of distance learning. This is for Wednesday, April 29th and Thursday, April 30th. The lesson today is all about the end of the Cold War and how that came to a close. The setup today is really similar to the end of last week when we did the arms race versus space race. All of the information you're going to need and be typing on is in this Google slideshow. As you move through it, like you did with the other activity, you are going to click through the slides and you are going to answer the questions. So you will see that there's some different information about what happened at the end of the Cold War, and you will go ahead, read that information, and then there's going to be a lot of cause and effect questions today. So you are going to be using the information that was given to you, but you're also going to be using some inferences on what your opinion is and why you think certain things happened to end the Cold War. There are definitely some different things that happen with the United States president. There are some different invasions and some wars and things in other countries that the Soviet Union and United States were a little bit involved in. And then you're going to see the fall of the Berlin Wall. On this particular slide, there is a video clip for you to look through, to listen to, and then to answer the questions. The very end of the lesson asks you kind of overall why you think things happened the way they did. And as long as you are answering all the questions in all of the text boxes, you are good to go. Once you finish it, please make sure you're clicking turn in. That's really important. If you have completed any work and you have not clicked turned in, it isn't able to be graded and put into the grade book. So please make sure you're doing that. Also, make sure you're staying caught up. There will be a time towards the end of next week where we will have some catch-up time. So make sure that you're getting everything finished. That way you are getting credit for being here and being present and also passing, okay? If you have any questions, like normal, hop on into our Google Meet time during class or throw me an email. I will respond to you as quickly as possible. All right, guys, take care. And if you need anything, please let me know.